How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at recreational resort cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Donnybrook. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with an amazing home that I think you're going to enjoy. This is for everyone who has been asking for a one-bedroom tiny home, but you need something slightly larger than the typical. So today I have it right here with the home by the name of the Donnybrook. This home is coming in at one bedroom, one bath, 16 feet wide, 54 foot long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. It's 798 square feet, and I have it on sale today for $100K, $100,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And if you know me, we like to start right here on the exterior where you see a beautiful garlic clove base with the chestnut fascia going beyond and below your Gavaloon metal roof. And if you're subscribed like you should be, you know this siding is a 50-year warranty, and then we have a 30-year metal roof at that. And want to speak about some warranties, we'll get to something in a second, but in the meantime, you cannot miss the large tower dormer right there in the living area. This is what creates the cottage aesthetic that makes us worldwide when it comes to recreational resort cottages. So you see the beautiful curb appeal when you pull up, but go ahead and follow me to the front side of the porch, and you'll see up front we have the beam going across, basically the open header. There's no crow's foot on this model. Also on the front porch, we've accented it in the Gavaloon accent to, of course, match your Gavaloon metal roof. You have 2 exterior can lights as well as a wire embracing for your exterior ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. And I told you we were going to talk about some more warranties. Well, go ahead and look down where you're going to have composite decking with a 30-year warranty as well. Because when it comes to Mr. Tiny, when it comes to recreational resort cottages, one thing that's known: quality is key. And you'll see right here on the front wall, we have one large window there. We also have on each side of the front wall exterior electrical outlets. That way you can power up any of your electronics from the convenience of the exterior of the home. A 36-inch blinds in glass front door gives you privacy when you need it, but when you need to go in, we take it right in. So go ahead and follow me so you can see how great this Donnybrook is. Now here we are on the interior of the Donnybrook, and I'm telling you, if you need a slightly larger tiny home, this may be your bread and butter, because as soon as you enter the front door, you're right here in the living area. When you get that little bit more square footage, you have enough space to accommodate things like this, which is an open floating entertainment center. 4 cabinets down low, 3 cubbies up top, basically a way for you to display your decor of choice and just have a convenient area for your electronics as needed. The top here is going to be where you're able to place your TV, or you can even mount it on the wall as your TV connection is behind this decor piece here. Also, natural light coming in up top with the triple transom windows. That way you have natural light coming in. You can see the clouds like a beautiful day as in today, or you can sit there and still enjoy your TV down below. You get the best of both worlds. Speaking of best of both worlds, you're going tiny, but we want you to live big. So look at the vaulted ceiling going throughout this home. We have the antique pine going down the center on the beam. That looks amazing. And the double ceiling fans on it as well. When you drop down and have enough space like this in the living area, you're able to accommodate the opposite side where you're going to have triple picture windows with the triple transoms up top. I spoke about the tower dormer on the exterior, which gives you that exterior curb appeal that everyone knows and loves, but on the interior, That's where the real magic happens. That's why a lot of people actually purchase this Donnybrook, is because if you have a view that you like to sit down and look at, or kind of walk through the home and be able to get a good peripheral vision as you walk through, this is going to be the way to do it. So it looks good from the outside, looks great from the inside, and still able to accomplish the natural light while still having a large space for you to put full-size furniture. We have a full-size couch right here. Again, you can put couch, love seat, recliners, whatever you wish, but you have enough space to accommodate. We also have hard surface flooring going throughout the entire model. No carpet here in the Donnybrook, but the thing that I love the most is just the open floor plan, because when you have 698 square feet, yes, it's still slightly larger than the typical tiny, but when you do it the right way with the vaulted ceiling and an open floor plan, this is what you get. So we walk right over from the living area into the kitchen. You're greeted by this large island where we have the pine down low to match the pine up top on the beam. So we brought all that together for you. The countertop here is going to be the Terrania soapstone countertop. Looks lovely, matched with this pine accent. You have enough space right here, obviously, to accommodate a few stools. We only put 2, but you can see how much space you have. Outlets on each side with traditional GFI, as well as the USB ports there for your convenience. Speaking of convenience, you have another door right here, which makes it very convenient if you want to get to the side of your property, or if you wanted to wrap around the front deck to this side door. I've had plenty of clients do that, and it turns out phenomenal. It doubles your exterior living space like that. And speaking of interior living space, let's get back to that. We're going to have a space right here as well, where when you're kind of going a little bit larger in this sized home, that you have enough space that you could actually put a small table right there to eat at. Went ahead and added a window right there, so if you wanted to do that, you can enjoy that as well. Right here is a key factor for many also, the built-in hutch. You have tons of cabinetry, tons of storage, cabinets down low, white cabinets with the black bar pulls to, of course, match your black appliances in this model. The microwave will be there in set. We continued with that accent of the wood up above your cabinets, which leads to your 2 open shelves with the black braces on there, just to add some pop. But down low, you're going to have all of this additional counter space. Works great for your blenders, everything like that, your coffee makers, so on and so forth. But let's take it around the opposite side, and you'll see here, opposite side of the island, you got one side that's going to accommodate your stools. The opposite is for the storage. And we have 4 drawers up top, 4 cabinets down below, and right here, the trash can compartment. We want to talk about convenience. We want you to live big while going tiny, and the Donnybrooks making it happen. Right here on the opposite side, we have the dual basin sink, window up above that, and then we've continued with the cabinetry, full-size dishwasher, something you don't get a lot in the tiny homes, especially of this size. It's very rare. Smooth top, glass top stove, the Stonecrest glass top vent hood to match, and then we do have the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. And another thing you get when you go a little bit larger with the Donnybrook compared to our typical 399 square foot tiny homes, things like this. Full-size pantry. Yes, yes, baby. I got that for you right there. Put your extra canned goods. I know you've been canning. You had that garden going, putting little things to the side. We got you right there covered. And if that isn't enough, you have an additional 3-door pantry right there also. Now, here in the hallway, you're going to have the typical stackable wash machine and dryer right there for you. Up above, you do have the cubby for additional space. Again, got some boots up there. I think that's more suitable for a detergent or something like that. But hey, you do what you wish if it's yours. Now let's take it back into the primary. It's going to be the main bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And what's great about the Donnybrook is that you can accommodate any size bed that you wish. You want to go king, you can do that and still have nightstands on each side. You want to go queen, you can do that. Put a chase lounge over here if you want to. You can do whatever you want. Windows here, bringing in the light. Again, continued with the vaulted ceiling, leading to the ceiling fan right there with the 3 blades. And then on the opposite side, you'll see that we have the barn doors right here on your closet. On the barn doors, you see tons of space there for you to hang additional storage space down below. Just a great overall concept with the barn door that just closes so easily and then gives you access to your 4-drawer dresser there in the center. Additional space up above where if you want to put a TV there, you could, or you can just simply put decor, because you do also have the option to put a TV right here on this wall, already prepped for you. And what I love about the Donnybrook also is that you have the Jack and Jill concept when it comes to the bathroom. So if you want to just get a quick convenience into your bathroom, you have it right here from the bedroom. And that leads right here where you have your 4-drawer bank. Also, we continued with that Terrania soapstone countertop, white trimmed mirror there. And then you have the full glass door and the tile shower. We have the Grigio tile right here in the vertical pattern going all the way up, makes it feel way taller in here, even though it really is because of all the vault. We do have the rain shower head, transom window over there. And then with the Jack and Jill concept, you have another door that leads right out back into the hallway. So if you want to have that privacy, close your bedroom door off, close the other door, access, you can just have guests access the bathroom without even ever stepping foot in your bedroom. Now let's take it back through. Look how this opens up in the Donnybrook. You think I'm playing with you? I didn't come to play today. It's 104 degrees here in Texas, literally today. You see I don't have my suit jacket on, and it's about to turn into a wet t-shirt contest. So I'm gonna make this super convenient, super quick, because this right here is what you're coming for when you want to purchase the Donnybrook at 698 square feet, 16 feet wide, 54 foot long, including that 8-foot front porch. I don't think you can beat it for this quality. And Mr. Tiny kept it 100 with you at 100K. You can't beat it. So I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you did, all I need you to do is hit that thumbs up button and make sure to show some love by leaving a comment of what your favorite feature was on the Donnybrook. Also share this video. You may not be in the market. This may not be your cup of tea on the size of a home, but your sister, your cousin, your friend from work, they may be interested in something like this. So make sure to share it with them as well. And also subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but if you're subscribed like you should be, you're part of the family, and I appreciate you. And if you're interested in purchasing the Donnybrook today, you can hit me up directly on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Donnybrook as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my social media. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next video.